Hey class, just looking at this cover, you can probably guess who the author and illustrator of this book is. As I'm looking at it, I can see that there are pieces of paper that have all different textures and paint colors on them. I also noticed that the pictures have added detail with colored pencils. And so if you guess that the author and illustrator is Eric Carle, you are correct. This book is called The Very Busy Spider, and again, it's about another insect. There's one of my favorite Eric Carle sunshines. And in this book, we're watching for events that happen in order. Okay? Early one morning, the wind blew a spider across the field. A thin, silky thread trailed from her body. The spider landed on a fence post near a farmyard and began to spin a web with her silky thread. "Nay, nay," said the horse. "Want to go for a ride?" The spider didn't answer. She was very busy spinning her web, and I see that she's made some progress. And the cool thing is that if you were in class, you could feel this book. The way that they made it, you can feel the spider's web. "Moo, moo," said the cow. "Want to eat some grass?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy spinning her web. "Ba, ba," bleated the sheep. "Want to run in the meadow?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy spinning her web. "Ma, ma," said the goat. "Want to jump in the rocks?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy spinning her web. Now, I noticed that there's a fly in this picture, and I'm wondering if maybe that fly has something special to do with our story. "Oink, oink," grunted the pig. "Want to roll in the mud?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy spinning her web. So I noticed that now that she has these supporting strings, she's starting to go around in a circle. "Woof, woof," barked the dog. "Want to chase a cat?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy spinning her web. "Meow, meow," cried the cat. "Want to take a nap?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy spinning her web. You can help me with this page if you'd like. "Quack, quack," called the duck. "Want to go for a spin or for a swim?" The spider didn't answer because she was very busy, and she had now finished her web. So look, now she's up here. Her web is all complete. She's up here and she's resting. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," crowed the rooster. "Want to catch a pesky fly?" And the spider caught the fly in her web just like that. So the fly flew into her web. Now I wonder what's going to happen. The fly's gone. Maybe she ate it. "Who?" asked the owl. "Who built this beautiful web?" And the spider didn't answer because she had fallen asleep. It had been a very, very busy day. And that's the end. And Eric Carle, he signed the book back here. And there's our spider. Now, I really liked that he chose a spider and a spider web for this book because even though I'm not very fond of spiders, I think that their spider webs are beautiful. And I know that they take a lot of time for that spider to make all that silk and to spin it and to turn it into a web. And they're very ingenuitive because then they use that web to trap their food. So if ever you see a spider web, the spider has put it there so that it can hopefully catch some flies. Maybe you'll see some bugs that have flown in, and those bugs are there for the spider to eat. So a spider web is actually a trap for other insects for that spider to eat, which is kind of cool. Okay, make sure you do your activity. In the book, it will be one where they ask you what animals that the spider saw, so you might have to listen to this book more than one time so that you put the animals in the correct order. Have a great day.